is witnessing how people are dying in prisons, how they're being tortured. Coronavirus is taking hundreds of lives every day. Hundreds of lives for a small nation like Turkmenistan is a lot. We are on the brink of extinction. Please pay attention. Please help us. Our activists in our country do not have opportunity to speak up because they and their families get persecuted. We are very proud to be and very happy to be in the United States right now because we can exercise our freedom of speech. We ask you to help us in our fight against dictator and earn our freedom of speech. Please pay attention to Turkmenistan. Please do not cooperate with a dictator regime. Please do not do any business. You are supporting people who torture our people. Please pay attention and hear our voices. We will be here every day. Thank you.